it's Mr Searle. Thank you so much for tuning in to another Searle learning video. And don't forget to get an adult to subscribe to the Searle learning channel so you never miss one of these. Okay, I'm so excited because today we're doing another Phonics Jam. And today's learning intention for this little video is to use 3 sounds to make a word. We're going to check back on our learning intention at the end of the video and see if you've done that. I'm pretty sure you will have. Let's start with a little warm-up. We're going to start with some phonemic awareness. So get your ears ready. Let's turn them on. Ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
To start off with, we're listening for the rhyme in 2 rhyming words. So if I said sat and mat, what's the rhyme? At. They both have at. Tap and sap both have app. Mutt and but both have ut. Pot and dot both have ot. And tip and sip both have ip. Rhyming words. Now we're listening for the initial or the first sound in these words. Are you ready? Tap. Tap. The first sound is t. Nut. Nut. The first sound is n. Pot. Pot. The first sound is p. Dot. Dot. The first sound is d. D. Sip. Sip. The first sound is s. Now I've got my choppers ready. What we're going to do is I'm going to give you 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3. And then you are going to blend those sounds together as I swipe through those sounds, and you're going to say the word. So for instance, if I said b-e-d, you say bed. T-a-p, tap. N-a-t, nut. P-o-t, pot. D-o-t, dot. S-i-p, sip. Good job! That's our little warm-up done. Now we're going to get back to that learning intention. We're going to look at sounds, then use 3 sounds, 1, 2, 3, to make a word, a short word with a vowel in the middle. Here we go. Here are the sounds we're going to be looking at today. Repeat after me. T, t, t. K, k, k. S, s, s. P, p, p. D, d, d. And then our vowels for today. A, a, a. I, I, I. Excellent. Now we're going to go down to the desk and we're going to make some words. Hello everybody. Okay, we're looking down on my desktop and I have my sound card. So these are those sounds that we just looked at. Let's quickly put them out. Repeat after me. T, k, And our two vowel sounds, A and I. Fantastic. Okay, let's make some words. Our first word, they all have three sounds. Our first word is tap. T, a, p. The first sound is T. Can you see T anywhere? Yes, there it is. T, T, a, a. T, a, p. T, a, p. What's the word? Tap. Fantastic. Let's write it. Remember, we always start at the top, and I'm holding my pen, or you might be holding a pencil, with my pinching fingers right near the end, the tip. Okay, here we go. T, t, a, p, p. Well done. T, a, p, tap. Okay, our next word is sip. Sip. The first sound is S. Can you see S? Yes. S. S. I. I. S. I. I. P. 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 S. I. P. What's the word? Sip. Okay, let's write the word sip. Starting at the top. S. I. P. S. I. P. Sip. Okay, our next word is can. Can. First sound is K. K. Can you see K? Yes. C says K. K. A. 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 K. A. K. A. What's the word? Can. Okay, let's write can. Starting at the top. K. A. K. A. Can. Our next word is and. A. D. A. D. Now, this is a word that we use all the time in our words that we say, but also in our sentences that we write. A. D. Starts with A. Ooh, interesting. We start with the vowel this time. A. A. D. D. Ah. D. A. D. What's the word? And. Okay, let's write the word and. A. D. And. And. Such an important word to know. Let's have another look at these sounds. There are some there that we haven't even used yet. Can you think of a word that starts with Let's use a. What is another sound we can add to make a word? P. Yes. Map. Map. Let's write the word map. App. Map. Good job.
Let's go.
Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. We are so clever. We have made so many words and we have written those words. How exciting. Now we're going to do dictation. Do you remember what that means? I'm going to say a sentence and then we're going to use what we know now about sounds and making short words to write that sentence. Let's go back down to the desk. Back down onto the table now. we are going to do our dictation. Remember, that's where I'm going to say a sentence and we're going to write it together. Okay, remember, we have some success criteria. We need to always start our sentences with a capital letter. We need to have finger spaces between our words, and our sentences need to end with a full stop. Fantastic. All right, I'm ready. Our sentence is, Tim can sip and tap. Tim can sip and tap. Clever, Tim. I'm imagining somebody tap dancing and also sipping a drink at the same time. Multi-talented. Okay, the first word is Tim. Now, what do we need at the beginning of a sentence? We need a capital letter. Also, Tim is somebody's name, and names always start with a capital letter. Does your name start with a capital letter? Of course it does. All right, so Tim is a capital T. Straight down, up and across. T, I, t, I, These are all sounds that we have just been looking at. Tim, finger space, can. Oh, that's one of the words we just made. K, can. Tim can sip. Sip. Okay, ready? S, I, p. Tim can sip, finger space, and. Now that's another one we just made. D. And. Tim can sip and... Oh, I'm starting to run out of space. It's a very long sentence. Now, where can I write my next word? That's right. I have to go back down and start a new line. Back down and start a new line. Tim can sip and tap. 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 I know that one. T. Tim can sip and tap. Hooray! We wrote a sentence. Did I use a capital letter? Sure did. Well done, Mr. Searle. Have I used finger spaces between my words? I sure have. Mr. Searle, you're amazing. Big tick. And have I used a full stop at the end of my sentence? Uh-oh. Mr. Searle! That's right. I need to go back and add a full stop at the end of my sentence. Yay! Now I'm finished. Tim can sip and tap. Well done, everybody.
Let's go.
Oh my golly goshness! We have been so clever. We have made so many short words. You've done a great job. Let's have a look at our learning intention and see if we have done it. Remember, our learning intention was to use 3 sounds to make a word. Have you done that? Of course you have. Now, I've got a little extra activity for you to do after the video. Here is a sentence. Now, I'm going to give you the sentence, so this shouldn't be hard. Just pay attention to the sounds in the sentence and the writing of the sentence. And then after the video, I want you to have a go at writing this all by yourself. What an amazing thing to show an adult at home. You can show them that you can write a complete sentence. Here is your home sentence, your new activity. Listening. Sim and Tip can pat. Aww. Sim and Tip can pat. Sim and Tip can pat. What a great sentence. Sim and Tip can pat. I like to pat too. Have you got a pet at home that you like to pat? I have had such a good time doing another Phonics Jam. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Mr. Searle, this is Searle Learning, and I will see you again very soon in another video. Bye!